Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the alert news of the Vechain. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the current price of Vechain? Is the price pump? Is the price jump in the future? We discuss in this video, so keep watching this video complete. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, you can see the latest price of the Vechain is 0.079451 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now you can see that from the last 1 week, my friends, from the last 1 week, the price of the Vechain is completely going down, completely fast down occur in the Vechain. So the people are so confused, the people are so worrying about these, my friends, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it a best time to buy? Is it a best time to sell? Or is it a best time to hold, my friends? So you know what, my friends, my personal prediction, my personal opinion for all of you is that please hold. Please hold, because the last 1 week the whole chain is completely in the lows. That is why I really recommend for all of you to please hold. My friends, if you hold, let me show you the price chart. My friends, you can see that the price is very fast down in the last 3 days price chart, and you can see here the changes is negative 9.62%. So my friends, that's clear that the Vechain price is negative. The Vechain price changes is negative. So if the changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. So my friends, if you decide to sell Vechain on this price, so the current price of the Vechain is very low, and absolutely if you decide to sell on this price, so you lose your money. In other side, my friends, if you decide to sell Vechain, so my friends, maybe there's a possibility that the price will pump in the future. So if the price will pump, so you will get profit from a Vechain, my friends. That is why I recommend for all of you to please hold Vechain for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.